What can you say for today's trip?
Good.
Good.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go.
The ability to take risks by stepping outside your comfort zone is a primary way by which we grow. It was a scary thought, but it was something courageous enough that I did recently. As I slowly push past my comfort zone, I feel more ease about new adventures, new things to do, and new people to meet. Hello wonderful people, how are you all? Before anything else, I'd like to say much thanks to Mr. Bacon for sponsoring this event. We had a great time, we had fun, and again, thank you so much. Today's video is going to take you to an eco adventure park that opened in 2021 in the south of Negros. This is not your typical adventure park where everything is so mechanical. The business makes use of materials found in nature, and you'll see that later. We went to Santa Catalina, which was about 2 hours and 13 minutes drive, and we stayed there for a couple of hours. We followed a different routes on our way back and stopped at a mountain spot. The entire journey was mostly rainy, but it didn't stop us from enjoying the day's opportunity to create wonderful memories with new people. Valencia was the starting point. Drove all the way to Santa Catalina, and on our way back continued to drive north of Dumaguete City, then back to Valencia. Meet Ramil. He is our hired driver for the day. He's got 4 children and he works online. He drives a couple of times every week as a side hustle. Santa Catalina has 78,000 habitats according to the 2020 census. It has 27 springs and 8 rivers. We had a quick stop to get breakfast, and at this point, we were just 30 minutes away from our destination. Luckily, we arrived at the place when the rain stopped. As soon as we enter, we're greeted by the accommodating staff. The entrance fee is 100 pesos with the inclusion of rides and a drink. Santabucks not only offers amusement activities, they serve food and accommodations as well at an affordable rate. The horseback ride and the giant swing have separate fees, and at this moment we settled ourselves in a big hut before exploring. After settling, we head right on to our first activity, the spider web. Climbing at this height will surely get your hearts racing. Well, at least for me, I had to scream. We then proceeded horseback riding. The place was a bit too small for this activity, however, we still had fun.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
After we had our lunch and once the rain stopped, we headed to the palwa ride. Palwa is the petiole of coconut leaves used as sleds and tracks. This is the most popular ride in Santabucks. It started drizzling, so we decided to leave before it pours. Before heading back to Valencia, we had to stop for this breathtaking view of Casa Alicia in the town of Amlan. It's got a beautiful backdrop to a romantic date and is an attractive venue for an exquisite wedding because of its chapel situated hilltop. The place is owned by the incumbent governor. Fill your life with adventures, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. Material objects lose their magic after a while, but the stories you create with someone last forever. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.